Hey guys, Casey Sanglin's at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I want to show you this 2020 Sundance 278BH. The BH of course stands for Bunkhouse. This is a great bunkhouse floor plan. Up front you've of course got the power tongue jacks, makes it very easy to hook up to the truck, especially with weight distribution hitches. Over on this side you've got your full pass-through storage. I'll show you on the other side, but it's also set up already pre-wired for a portable solar panel. Plug that in right there. You can have a nice solar panel out catching the rays, catching the sun, helping you keep your batteries maintained. You got nice big baggage doors with slam latch latches and magnetic latches up on top to hold that door open. Nice big area in there, tons of room, nicely finished off. Over on this side of the trailer, on the camp side, again, great storage up here up front. Coming back, you've got a huge awning. This awning is super long, almost the whole length of the trailer. You've of course got the LED light strip underneath to light it up at night. You've got outside speakers. Back here in the back, still under the awning, which is amazing, you've got a great outside kitchen. I love that Sundance makes this out of metal. You don't have to worry about it getting wet. You don't have to worry about spilling stuff on it because you can wipe it right off. But you've got a nice 2-burner stove out here and a proper draining sink. You've also, of course, got a nice little fridge back here. Okay, let's jump inside and take a look. You got the nice big handle, makes it very easy to get in and out, especially with kids or parents alike. Right inside the front door, you've got a nice walk-in pantry, coat closet, just extra storage that you always need. Back here in the back corner, you've got the nice big double over double beds, bunk beds with a ladder. There's 275 pound weight rating on this, so even as the kids get older, they're still going to be able to fit up there. Okay, back here in the back, you've got the bathroom. Bathroom is very nice, very roomy. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Nice big shower, toilet's very workable, and a little extra storage in there. Up front, I love the couch directly across from the TV, the entertainment center. You've got extra storage up above here. Again, these doors, these cabinets stay open, so you don't have to bounce on your head when you're getting anything out of it. Got a nice little armrest here with some cup holders. You've got power and 12-volt USB ports here so kids can charge their phones, parents can charge their phones, what have you, a camera, whatever. Got a nice entertainment center, nice big TV, more storage here underneath. Got a CD player, DVD player that's going to control both the inside and the outside speakers and DVD for movies. Over here the dinette, nice booth dinette with storage underneath. Those are lit up, there's lights under there you can turn on. That dinette of course is going to fold down into a bed as well. Over here in the galley, you got the nice big fridge and freezer. Plenty of room to keep all your stuff cold. And a nice, very usable kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, you got a microwave up top, very easy to get to, a nice stainless steel hood, and of course your 3-burner stove with the oven. Okay. Nice drawers. Drawers are something that sometimes is, believe it or not, hard to find in a trailer. You got 4 very nice drawers here. They've already built in some silverware dividers. They're plywood drawers with metal roller bearing slides, so they pull in and out very easy. Nice deep sink, one single sink, very big. Okay, up here in the front, the bedroom. I love this bedroom because it's not huge. It doesn't take up a lot of room out of the trailer, but it feels very big in here. You've got a full-length residential queen mattress. You've got hanging wardrobes on either side. Nice little storage nook up here. Again, 2 12-volt power supplies up there. More cabinets all the way across the top. And then back in that corner, you've got 3 more little drawers that you can stash some extra clothes, swim trunks, whatever it may be. So guys, again, this is the Sundance 278BH. My name is Casey Sanglin's. If you have any questions about this or anything else we have in stock, give me a call. It's 541-953-9171. I'd love to hear from you.